Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to buying lumber, you'll see numbers like 2x2, 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, 2x10. The thing about these numbers is they don't actually correspond to the actual material itself. So here we have a 2x4. So our 2x4 is 1.5 inches from bottom to top. Now our 2x4 from left to right is 3.5 inches. This is a 2x6. This is 1.5 by 5.5 inches. And this here, this is a 2x10. So it's 1.5 by 9.25. So why is this one 9.25, not 9.5? I don't know. But guys, when it comes to dimensional lumber, a 2x4 is 1.5 by 3.5. A 2x6 is 1.5 by 5.5. A 2x8 is 1.5 by 7.5. And a 2x10 over here is 1.5 by 9.25. So when it comes to buying lumber and installing it, you need to be aware that the actual numbers for these pieces of wood is not actually the cut size. The reason that you need to know this is because if you are going to measure off a 2x4 and it's actually a 1/2 inch smaller, then that's going to screw up everything that you're doing as you go along. I don't know what the reason for this is, but this is something that has been in play for decades and decades. So guys, when it comes to buying lumber, keep in mind the actual dimensions of the piece that you're buying is not what they say on the tag. As long as you keep this in mind, then you should be able to keep yourself out of trouble down the road. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.